A very good morning to you all, my dear students. I hope you are all fine and safe in your home. Isn't it? Good. Your homework answers having in your Max book bag. Just verify your answer. Okay. Not our Max class. In this section, we will learn one game with numbers which use the properties of a numbers in general form. Okay. Now, all of you take your book page number 53. Okay. All of you take book page number 53. Now listen here. Now games with 2-digit numbers. There have two friends, isn't it? Ravi and Pooja, isn't it? Yes. Now, what is the game? Think of a 2-digit number but only tell its ones digit. Okay. Now listen. Students, all of you think one 2-digit number. Now mind it, what is the ones place? Ones digit. Okay. Now reverse the digit of your number. Just you reverse your number. Reverse the digits of your number. Okay. Now, what is that number? Can you say? Yes, mind it. What is that number? Reverse number. Okay. Now add the two numbers. What are the two numbers? Yeah. First you think one number, isn't it? That number plus, now you reverse it, that digit, isn't it? That number. Now you can add that two numbers. What do you get? Yes, you will get one 2-digit number or 3-digit number, isn't it? Did you get that answer? Yes, good. Now you can subtract. What is the answer? Subtract from that answer minus what is your guessing number. Yeah, first you guess one number, isn't it? Yeah, first you are guessing one number. This total minus that number. Now you will get that reverse number, isn't it? Now you reverse it, that number. That is your number, isn't it? Yes. Now listen. Here, Ravi think of a 2-digit number but only tell to Pooja that one's digit, isn't it? What is the one's digit? 3. Now listen, page number 53. Now, reverse the digit of your number. First, Ravi choose that number is 43. Now you reverse it, that is 34. Isn't it? Reverse means 34. Now you can add 43 plus 34 equal to 77. Isn't it? Good. Now 77 minus, what is your guessing number? 43. Isn't it? 77 minus 43 is equal to 34. Now you can reverse that number. Yeah, 43. Did you get your number? Yes, good. Have you understood? Okay. Now, exercise 5.2, we have run the game with 2-digit numbers on the following numbers, isn't it? Now, you can check this number, okay? 23, 73, 47 and 58. This is your activity, okay? Good. Now we are going to learn letters for digits. Okay, letters for digits. The following two rules for solving the puzzles. Okay, we have two rules for solving the puzzles. First rule, each letter in the puzzle represents one end, only one digit. Each digit is represented by exactly one letter. Suppose this is 1, here 2. this is ones digit, isn't it? This each digit is represented by exactly one letter. Now here A, this is ones digit. This is represented A. Then tens place, this is represented B, like this. Each letter, that each digit is represented by exactly one letter. Okay. Now second one, the first digit on the left of a number cannot be 0. That is, we shall not consider numbers represented by 058 or 0058. Suppose we have that number is 58, means we shall not consider the numbers represented by 0. Okay, we shall not consider here 0 like this. Okay, understand? The first digit on the left of a number cannot be 0. That is, we shall not consider numbers represented by 058 or 0058. Okay, now we can see some example. Now, example, find A, B and C for each of the following. Find A, B and C. First one, 1 to A, then second number is 2A7. What's the answer? A60. Now we want to find the value of A. What is A? Okay. How can you find? Now listen. Here 0. A plus 7 is equal to 0. Isn't it? A plus 7 equal to 0. That is given. Then what is A? With A7 we can add 3 means we will get 0. Isn't it? Yes. Now here A equal to 3 means 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Now we can cut the 0 and write here 0. Then 1 balance. Isn't it? Clear? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now we can cut 0 and write here, then 1 balance. That is tens place. Clear? Okay. Now we know A. What's the value of A? A equal to 3. Right? Now each digit represented by only one letter. Isn't it? Now here A equal to 3 means here A equal to 3. This A also 3, here also 3. So we can write, what's the value of A? A equal to 3. Now we can write 1, 2, value of A is equal to 3, then here 2, then value of A is equal to 3, then 7. Now we can add 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1 balance. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Did you get 6? Yes. Now here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. What's the value of A? 3. Did you get? So this answer is A equal to 3. Okay. A equal to, what's the value of A? A equal to 3. Answer 360. Clear? Okay. Now second example. 4A 9 8. What's the answer? CB3. Isn't it? CB3. Now we want to find value of A, B and C. Okay. Now here A plus 8 is equal to 3. A plus 8 equal to 3 means, what is A? What is A? 8 plus 5 means, 8 plus 5 means 13. 13 means that one's digit is 3. Isn't it? So, what is possible? A is equal to 5. Isn't it? So, 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Now, here 3 is here, 1 balance. Isn't it? 1 balance. Now, we can add this 3 number. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Isn't it? Now we can add 4. What's the value of A? A equal to 5. So 4, 5, then 98. Now we can add. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 balance. 5 plus 9 means 14. Now here B equal to 4, C equal to 1. Isn't it? What's the value of A? A equal to 5. Then B equal to tens place 4. Then C is equal to 1. Clear? Are you clear? Okay. Now one more example. Here A plus A plus A. Isn't it? Now here A plus A plus A. What's the ones digit? A. Here which number? These three numbers are same. Now we can add the three numbers. That ones digit also A. What is the possible way? Now here A equal to 0 means 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Ones digit also 0. This three number also 0. That is possible, isn't it? But here B. We have value of B. Isn't it? But here 0 means B also 0. B also 0. So this is not possible. 0 is not possible. Isn't it? So now we can take another number. Now here 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 3 plus 3 plus 3 means what's the answer? 9. Here value of A is different. Here 9, here 3, here 3, here 3. What's the rule? First rule. Each digit represented by only one letter. Now here 3 is represented by A means here also 3. Isn't it? Here also 3. But here 9. So this is not possible. Now we can take 5 means 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now one's digit is 5. Isn't it? Now here A equal to 5 means 5 plus 5. Now 15 means 5. Then 1 balance, that is here 1, 15. Now we can say A is equal to 5. Here A equal to 5. Here answer one's digit also A. So that value of A is equal to 5. Correct, isn't it? Now here value of B is equal to 1. So we can write A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. Clear? Okay. Example 2. First example, that is addition, isn't it? Now here example 2, find A, B, C and Q so that this is multiplication. Okay. Now here that digit, that letter Q, we want to find Q. What is Q? Okay. Now 1 Q into Q. What's the answer? 9Q. Now listen here. Q into Q is equal to Q. What is Q? What's the number is possible here? Now here 0 into 0, 0 into 0 equal to 0. That is possible. Here Q into Q equal to 0, 0 into 0 is equal to okay, 0. But here see if you take Q, 0 means 0 into 1, 0. But here 9. We need 9. Isn't it? So this 0 is not possible. Then 2 means 2 2s are 4. Value of Q is equal to same, isn't it? If you add any one number here means that same number is here. Isn't it? That is 3 3 means 3 3s are 9. Not possible. Now here 4 means 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. But here 4, here 6. That is not possible. Then 5 5s are 15. 5 also possible, isn't it? 5 into 5 equal to 15. Now this 5 is here. Near here 1 balance. Suppose here 5 means 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. But here 9. So this 5 also not possible. Okay. Now we can check 6. 6 into 6. 6 into 6 equal to 36. One's digit is 6, then 3 balance. Isn't it? Now here Q is equal to 6 means 1, 6 into 6. What's the value of Q? 6. 6, 6 are 36. 3 balance. 1 into 6, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Did you get 9? 96. So, what is the value of Q? So, that value of Q is equal to 6. Value of Q is equal to 6. Clear? Okay. Now, second question. AB multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, B. What is B? Here one's digit also B. Now listen. B into 3 is equal to B is the answer. B into 3 is equal to B. Isn't it? Now, here what's the value here? B means, suppose you here put 0 means 0 into 3 is equal to 0. So, B is 0 means here B also 0. Isn't it? Any other possible way? No here. Isn't it? Suppose here we add 5 means 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So, B is equal to 5. Okay. Here 5 means here A. Well, how can you find A? Here A, that answer tens place also A. Here 15 you take means here 1 balance. Now here we can take any one number. A equal to 1 means 1 into 3. 3 plus 1, 2. But here A value is 1. So this is not possible. Isn't it? So we can take B 0 means 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Now we need A. 5 3s are 15. A is equal to 5 means 5 3s are 15. A 5 tens place also 5. Isn't it? Here A into 3 is equal to A means A is equal to A into 3 is equal to A means 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So we will get tens place 5. Isn't it? Now here 0 means here 5 possible. So B equal to 0, A equal to 5. Now 5, 0 into 3 equal to 3 into 0, 0. B value is 0. Here also B value 0. Now here 5 3s are 15. Here A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Then C equal to 1. Now we can write what is A? A is equal to 5. B is equal to 0. Then C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Clear? Now here add 0 means 3 into 0, 0. 0, B value 0 means here also B value 0. Now here add here 5 means 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So 5, 1 balance, that is C. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, then C is equal to 1. Clear? This is multiplication. Okay. Now exercise 5.3. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and justify your steps. Question number 1. Q7 1P. Answer 92. What is the value of Q and P? Now listen. This is addition. 7 plus, this is also addition. Okay. 7 plus P. 7 plus P equal to, what's the answer? 2. 7 plus P is equal to 2 means, what is possible here? 7 plus 1 means 8. 2, 9. 3, 11. 4 means 11, isn't it? 3 means 10. 5 means 12. We will get one's digit 2. So, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Now, we can write this 2 here, 1 balance. Isn't it? Now, here 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So, what's the value of P? P is equal to 5. Now here, what's the value of Q? Now we need 9. Already we have 1 and 2. 1 and 1, 2. Isn't it? Now here, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Isn't it? So Q is equal to 7. Isn't it? 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we can write value of Q is equal to 7. Then here already we have 7. Then 1, P, what's the value of P? 5. Now we can add. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 1 balance. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 92. Did you get this answer? 92. So what's the value of Q? Sorry, P. P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 7. Okay. Now we can move next question. 2, 1A, 6AB. Okay. Now here A plus B equal to 7. A plus B is equal to 7 means here A, what is A? What is B? Okay. Now here 1 plus dash A is equal to 0. 1 plus A is equal to 0. Isn't it? Now, what is A? What is B? Suppose 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Isn't it? 4 plus 3. A equal to 4. B is equal to 3 means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. But here 4. What's the value of 4? A. Isn't it? What's the value of A? 4. Now here also 4 means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. But here we have tens place 0. So 4 and 3 is not possible. Clear? Okay. Now 9 plus 8 or 8 plus 9 means, okay, 7. Isn't it? 17. Isn't it? 8 plus 9 equal to 17. Isn't it? Now listen. Suppose here A is equal to 8, B is equal to 9 means 9 plus 8, 17. Okay, 7, 1 balance. Isn't it? Now listen. A is equal to 8. So here also A is equal to 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. Again 1 balance. Isn't it? Okay. 6 plus 2, 9. Sorry, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. B value is 9. Maybe this is possible, isn't it? Yes. Now we can write value of A is equal to 8. Isn't it? So 2, 1. What is the value A? Value of A is equal to 8. Then 6. A. What is the value of A? 8. Then B, 9. Now we can add. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 1 balance. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. Again 1 balance. Now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. Okay. Now here 9, 0, 7. What is the value of A? A equal to 8. B equal to 9. Then B equal to 9. Isn't it? So here also we get 9. Isn't it? 9, 0, 7. Are you clear? Clear? Exercise 5.3. PQ into Q3 is equal to 7, 9Q. Now, Q into 3 is equal to Q. Q into 3 is equal to Q. Isn't it? Same value. Here 0 means we'll get 0 answer. But here we will not get 9. Because here 0 means all 0. We will not get 9. Isn't it? So, suppose here add 5 means 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So, one's digit is 5. So, what is the value of Q? Q is equal to 5. This is possible. Okay. Now, here P. Now, we can add here P is equal to 1 means value of Q is equal to 5 means 5 into 1, 5. Then here 5 3s are 15 plus 1 will get 9, isn't it? So, P is equal to 1 means. Now we can check P value 1, Q value is 5, then value of Q is equal to 5, 3. Now we can multiply. 5 3s are 15, 1 balance. 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 5s are 25, 2 balance. 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now we can add 5, 9, 7. 795. So, what's the value of Q? Q is equal to 5 and P is equal to 1 is the answer. Clear? Okay. Now we can move to the last question. 83 minus AB, answer B 7. Now listen, 3 minus B equal to 7. Isn't it? 3 minus 3 is small number. Must we can add here on big number means will not get 7. So, now we can borrow here to here 13. Isn't it? 13 minus any one number will get 7. Isn't it? See, 3 minus any one number means will not get 7. So, now here to here take borrow. This is 13. Here 7. Now, 13 minus B is equal to 7. 13 minus 5 means 8, isn't it? 13 minus 6 means 7. So, what is the value of B? 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So, here B also 6. So, answer is 67. Now, what will get here? 7. Already we have 7 minus 1 means 6. Isn't it? 7 minus 1 means 6. So, 7 minus here B is equal to 7. Then 7 minus A equal to B. What is the value of B? 6. Already we have 6. 7 minus 1 means 6. So, value of A is equal to 1. Now, we can subtract. Value of 83, isn't it? 83 minus value of A is 1. Value of B is equal to 6, isn't it? B is equal to 6. 6. Okay. 13 minus, here to here take borrow. So, here 13. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay. So, value of A is equal to 1. B is equal to 6. This is the answer. Clear? This is the number puzzle. Okay. Today's homework, book page number 58, exercise 5.3, question number 1, second question and fifth question. 2 problems homework. Okay. We can continue next class. Thank you.